Do I need my brakes checked? If the brake warning light appears in your dash, you may need to get your brakes serviced. But even if the light is not on, there still may be a problem. Over time, all brakes wear out. Listen for sounds when using your brakes. You might hear a loud squealing. You might also smell a burning odor. If you do, then you need your brakes checked. Even if you don't see or hear anything, you may still feel that something isn't right. When you use your brakes, does the pedal feel squishy? Can you feel a grinding sensation? Is the steering wheel shuddering? If yes, then you need your brakes checked. Don't notice any of these signs? Great, but you still need routine brake inspections by professional technicians to help avoid costly repairs or a dangerous situation. How often you service your brakes depends on your driving habits, vehicle type, and operating conditions, like extreme weather or driving on hilly roads. We recommend having your brakes checked at every maintenance interval. And remember, Ford Service is here to help. Call your local Ford Service to schedule an appointment with our Ford trained technicians. At Ford Service, every part counts.